Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NKLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I did this analysis on Thursday, and that's where I put in that red line there to really illustrate just how much, selling pressure there was. And then today, just the selling pressure picked up that much more, big gap down, and then during that first 30 minutes, you can see the price pushed down quite a bit. Yeah, there was a little bit of a bounce, but it got it to about 50% of the previous candle and then rolled right back over. So more of the story within the general context of things, as I talked about yesterday, things are very bearish. And then even when you narrow it down to just looking at today individually, things remain quite bearish. And the level that really stands out to me moving forward, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, but you better believe there's going to be all sorts of people watching that 29.50 mark. Whoops, get that out of the way. Mainly the shorts, meaning the shorts are going to be watching, and rightfully so. It's a valid level, but they're wondering, all right, yeah, sure, it bounced from there. Sure, it bounced from there. And then even the last 30 minutes, it bounced from there. But they're also noticing that within the day, these highs just kept getting lower and lower and lower. And if you want to picture those as stair steps, when you have stair steps like this, trending in the downwards direction, again, guarantees do not exist, but it's a more than valid thought to have that, if the price breaks down through that 29.50 mark, that very well could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that is going to be a support level that many, many people will be watching. Now, in the event it decides to just get a stronger bounce to the upside, then again, I would still be very skeptical. As I talked about in the video from Thursday, any sort of bounces you should look at very, very carefully until the price can prove itself that it's strong, which brings about the question, okay, well, how does the price prove itself? And that is where we started talking about this level. We'll end talking about it. But getting up above and staying up above that trend line would be the first true sign that, yeah, maybe the bulls finally are bringing some true strength back to the table. So we'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.